Welcome to another vlog. Today is a Christmas day and I don't know why my battery is fully drained, which means I won't have much time to vlog, so I have little time left. And what a shame it is, because I'm going to vlog and show you the day of Christmas, how people celebrate the Christmas here. I can tell it's very boring. Nothing happens here. People stay inside of the homes, more or less in the UK. And people like us who are nuts go out. I have to switch off because the battery's about to die. I never thought so many people would be here today. It's Christmas Day and everybody's out, which is surprising. And the river is, I think, still high tide again. Other side, that's where I live, of the river. It's quite calm today.
Get him out, baby. They're stuck. They're stuck in the ground.
He wants to be on his own because he's just overwhelmed by it all. And he probably don't.
There's a long walk I have to go. It's very calm today. Very nice. Yes. Damn, everybody's out today. Even the Starbucks was open today. And it's very, very busy. And they have a special price for Starbucks, amazingly. Which means if you're saying dollars, no, but $9 normal size, medium size coffee, which is grande. I don't know why they keep putting different ridiculous names. Surprised I've never seen the river like that. Very calm. Flats, apartments. Sorry, I'm not talking much because I do not have any good subject to talk about. What topic? It's going to be a lovely walk, and it's a Christmas day. People are out for walking here, and there the shops are open. And there's another one, Coffee Island, which is open, seems like it. And I believe they're serving coffee, and I don't want to drink. And so again, it's a southeast London, which is very close to the centre. In front of you is the Canary Wharf, Isle of Dogs, high rise. People have to go across the river, they can use the boats. From here it's called Uber boat. Thames Clipper used to be. I think they still have some Thames Clipper as well. And this is little canal connecting to the river. These are the buildings, okay. Bit of information. All those buildings are brand new. I mean, very recent development, you can tell. And these buildings are slightly older, but they modernize it. Slightly older. Again, left and right used to be old dock houses for the import and export. They keep the goods and everything. And because these really, I think, used to be on the source of import and export. Calm and beautiful. I love it. Fun fact. Today river is calm. Reason is because this river is controlled by the Thames barrier, which is very far end of the east and southeast London, near you can see the Kent as well. Those barriers basically connected to when the high rise tides from the sea, the rivers goes up all the way up, and then when the tides goes, goes down, then they just raise the barriers, so water start pushing back. No, because the river is filled up, and they didn't. I think the barriers are still up, and they're not. Water is not flowing back and forth right now. That's why it's very calm right now. Normally it happens back and forth. It's going backwards or forward. Today I think it's very calm, and that's the only reason the barriers are still up. And our walks will be diverted from there to different way, because from here onwards is going to be private development, which meant they didn't give the way for pathway so people can walk. So it's a whole private development, and then there's old buildings. Such a lovely walk it is. I like it. Oh, sign of JP Morgan, the bank. I don't know if you can see. One of the bank from far end is a JP Morgan. Again, from JP Morgan, I think a couple of years ago somebody killed himself. One of the senior staff in management. He killed himself from the top floor and he jumped. Oh, it was miserable. That is the downfall of working for the investment bank. It comes with a lot of stress. Okay. A hoist center, changing the lives through the sailing and rowing. I'm very much sure of that. Signs when the pathway is diverted, so you have to follow the little signs. They are posted here and there everywhere, and I show you the one so you can see. And if you are here by any luck in the same area, or plus if not, then still anywhere in Thames River, if you try to walk and the walk ends somewhere and then it's diverted, then you can see the sign like this. Surprisingly, a lot of people are out today. The buildings in front of you, these buildings are a very old building, 70s, for the social housing. They're very sustainable, very open from the inside, and very strong houses. They can be here for next 100 years without having any other issue. I like these old buildings. They have big windows and everything, very good ventilation systems. They're built to last long. I'm out. The only reason to show you the day of the Christmas in London, southeast London, to be precise. At least enjoying the cycle ride. housing. So we are walking through this housing estates. Okay. What we can explore by walking, we can do that on motorbike, that's for sure. Again, another estate, social housing estate. The benefit of this that is very simple. Anybody builds anything built right now, even previously, any development in this country, 30% of any development is gonna go to social housing for the people who can just pay less. Let's say you build anything privately, you have to pay £2,000, but when you go pay for the social housing, you will pay £700. So all these houses and the building before I shown you, if anybody who got these ones through social housing, which means they are only paying £500 to £600 per month, when private the rent of this area for the similar property will be about £2,000. So yes, so all the building you see on my left and on right, whatever you see, it's all private housings. So today is a bit of information day for you guys. They give you knowledge what happens here in UK, and it is because not everybody able to afford the expensive properties.